What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Jimmy by Rxseboy and Sarcastic Sounds. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double samurai chop your mouth and your face off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the first fret. If you want a free capo, check the video description below. I've left a link there to my website where you can get a free one. Also, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description as well. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chords you're going to need to know is A minor. It's middle finger, 2nd fret D string, ring finger, 2nd fret G string, and index finger, 1st fret B string. Then you'll need this little transition chord. It's leave your index finger on the 1st fret of the B, take your ring finger off, and move your middle finger to the 2nd fret of the A string. And then you're gonna go to a C major chord, which is ring finger 3rd fret A, middle finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret still on B. Then you're gonna go G major, which is 3rd fret low E with your ring finger, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then finally F major bar chord, bar the entire 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. Starting on your A minor, you're going to be down, down, up, down, down. That's your transition from your A minor to your C. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.